Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chili Verde sauce. Start by roasting tomatillos and green chilies until lightly charred, then blend with garlic, onion, cilantro, and stock to a smooth consistency. Simmer gently to meld flavors, season with salt and a squeeze of lime, and adjust heat with jalapeno or serrano to suit your taste. I'll walk you through timing and texture so you get a bright, balanced sauce every time. Gather fresh tomatillos, green chilies, onion, garlic, cilantro, and a good chicken or vegetable stock for body. Husk and rinse tomatillos, seed chilies if you prefer milder heat, and chop the aromatics roughly so the blender can do its work. Toasting cumin or coriander briefly enhances warmth, but keep it minimal to preserve brightness. I'll describe quantities and simple swaps so you can scale or tweak the sauce easily for family meals. Roast tomatillos and chilies until blistered, then blend them with stock, garlic, and onion until mostly smooth but not paper thin. Pour the blended mix into a skillet and simmer on medium-low for 10 to 15 minutes to concentrate flavor and mellow sharpness. Finish with chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and salt to balance acidity and spice. I'll share texture cues and tasting tips so your Chili Verde is vibrant and well-rounded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.